Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In this video we are going to dive into the best top proven herbal teas that really help in boosting the immune system, as well as helping with a lingering cough, whether it's dry or a wet cough, and also help with issues of colds, flu, and fever as well. So let's get to know these wonderful herbal teas here. We have first one on the list is the good old thyme. Now thyme is an expectorant and also contains substances that help to relax the respiratory tract. So in order to make a thyme tea, it's super simple. All you would need is 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme or 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. In this case, just place it in a cup of hot water and allow it to infuse for 5 minutes and strain out the herb, and then add honey as you wish. As soon as it's cooled down a little bit, then drink the tea. It will really help in order to relieve the cold. It will help to boost the immune system because it's antiviral and antibacterial properties. The second one on the list is the aromatic hyssop, which is basically a plant that's been used in liqueurs and medicine since the biblical times. And a tea of hyssop's dried flowers can also be taken 3 times per day for issues such as coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. So it's generally accepted as a small dose of 1 to 2 teaspoons, which equals about 5 grams of dry hyssop flowers. They're available from the health food stores and also from the online herb suppliers like iHerb, eBay, Amazon. Also Mountain Rose Herbs has it, but it doesn't ship to Finland, unfortunately, so I tend to go with iHerb. So you simply add 1 or 2 teaspoons of the dry hyssop flowers to 1 cup of boiling water. And there's a little warning here that I want you to know. Make sure that you do not consume or take hyssop in any form if you have high blood pressure. So this is definitely the herb to avoid for those suffering from high blood pressure. The third one on the list, which is a family favorite, and I've talked about it in different times in the channel, we have the well-known soothing benefits of marshmallow tea. So marshmallow root is absolutely amazing, and when it is combined with water, the marshmallow leaf, which is different of course than the root, the marshmallow leaf in this case is a really great ingredient to use, because what it does is that it helps to coat the throat, and it also helps in thinning the mucus in the lungs, which is essential for a wet cough and essential for basically preventing the onset of further issues coming from the cold and flu. And it also makes it easier to cough up the mucus as well. So it breaks it down, it thins it, and it makes it easier to expel. So in order to make marshmallow tea, you need to use 2 to 3 grams of the dried marshmallow leaf in a cup of hot water for about 10 minutes. Then you strain before drinking. So you can drink of about maximum 3 cups a day in order to feel the benefit. Another way we use marshmallow root is simply to make a tea out of it. So this one we just talked about before was the marshmallow leaf. Now we're going to the marshmallow root, which is absolutely amazing for coughs and amazing for boosting the immune system as well, and helping to moisturize the body as well. So first of all, the way to use the marshmallow root is different than it is with the marshmallow leaf. With the marshmallow leaf, you want to add hot water to it, but what you want to do with the root, the marshmallow root, is you want to take 1 teaspoon, 5 grams worth of the marshmallow root, and then simply place cold water, not hot water but cold water. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then drink it. So when I say cold water, it's not super cold freezing, it's more like a mild warm towards the colder side. So it's really nice because it works differently than the leaf. You need to combine it with the cold water in order to extract its benefits, because the hot water in this case kills the benefits of the marshmallow root. So if you haven't tried it, I highly advise you to give it a go. And it's also perfect for children as well, of course in smaller doses, because it's very calming to the digestive system. And my 3-year-old used to have leaky gut, and one of the essential things that I used to give him is marshmallow root tea, which is of course mixed with the cold water method, and just sweeten it up with some honey, and it worked great in order to heal his digestive system. The fourth one we have on the list is the good old licorice, and it usually comes in cough drops here ways, or usually you can make a tea out of it. Now what licorice does is it's very sweet and it has a strong aroma to it, and it helps to soothe irritated mucous membranes, and it also helps to fight bacteria causing infection, and it helps to loosen the phlegm and the mucus, and it relaxes the bronchial spasms. But as a warning, please do not take licorice for more than a few weeks because it can cause problems with raising blood pressure. So I'd like to conclude the video by referring to the Ayurvedic traditional medicine of India, and the way they use a specific spiced tea in order to help with the antiviral, antibacterial properties when it comes to fighting colds and flus and coughs. So they recommend a spiced tea that you can drink several times a day. In order to make the tea, simple and easy. All you would need is half a teaspoon of powdered ginger, and then add a 1 clove, and then a little bit of cinnamon powder, as in like a pinch of cinnamon powder, and 1 clove to a cup of boiling water, and then drink and enjoy. Sweeten it with honey, and it's absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you're interested in more, and if you're new to the channel, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. Take care and have an amazing great day. Bye bye.